Hello and welcome back to my channel, On the Hook, where we find out what's on the hook this week. And I'll tell you what's on the hook. I am wearing what was on the hook this week, but it's finally off. Um, I made this beautiful silk scarf out of a very simple pattern that it's really more of a beginner crochet pattern than anything else. And I'll take it off for a second here and show it to you. It's made of silk crochet thread. See that? It's quite beautiful. And mostly made from chains and single crochet. So it's not difficult at all to make. It has a solid edging around the neck area. And then around the bottom piece of the triangle, it's made with picots. If you'll notice that right at the edge there, there's a little stitch that makes a little lump on the outside, and it's kind of cute. It gives the edging a lot more interest than just a plain single crochet edging. And these ends are very long, so you can tie it around your neck, or you can wear it central like this. You can wear the V in the front, and it looks really nice over colors, even black or white, pink. It looks great, and sometimes I even wear it with a blue jean jacket, and it gives it some interest. I just wear it like this in the front, and gives a little pop of color there under the jacket, and it makes the jacket a little dressier. Anyway, I wanted to show you this because it was made from silk thread that I got from Kristen Omdahl, and that is her website. I'm not sponsored, but I'm going to put a link down there to her website, and you can see all the different yarns that she sells, and she has a lot of other ideas and things on her website you might be interested in. And that's where I got the yarn. The pattern is from Nastasia, and I'll put a link down below so you can download her pattern. I think it's free. I'm not sure I paid for it. I think it's free, so you can go on and look for it, and I'll put a link to it down below. And that's our finished object for the week, and it's quite beautiful, and you can make these for Christmas presents. And if you start now, and I'm doing this video in February, if you start now and invest a little bit in one ball of silk yarn to make it really special for that really special person. So it's an idea for Christmas, and you might consider that. Maybe in a neutral color, maybe in a light brown or a cream. Or if you know the person's favorite color, you could certainly make it out of that. So it's a great idea for Christmas, and for the women on your list, they'd probably love to have it. My work in progress was made from this yarn, and this yarn is a Harmony brand, and it's by James Brett, and I got this off lovenknitting.com, and I'll put a link down there to that as well. This is a double knitting size, which is a size 3. And as you begin to crochet, or if you already know this, yarns are in different weights, and a 4 is more like a regular sweater weight. But this is a little bit lighter sweater, and so it's called a double knitting, and it's a number 3. And there are number 2s and number 1s, so the size of your thread makes a big difference. I bought 5 skeins on sale at $2.99. I thought that was an awesome price, and one reason that I tried it. The 5th skein I didn't have to use much of. I just had to dig into it just a little bit to finish the sleeve. So the whole thing was like $15 for this beautiful handmade sweater that I'm going to show you. I've not put it together, but I've made all the pieces. This is the front. They're actually, the front and the back are the same, and they're very much not complicated. That's not the way to put it. They are not complicated. It's a boat neck sweater that has a seam down the side. Down the shoulder seam is about this long, so that leaves the neck open about this far. And then the sleeve is attached here, goes down. And the original pattern called for bell sleeves, and I did not make it that way. I made it with straight sleeves, and I'll show you how that looks when I model it, maybe next week or in a couple of videos from now. I'll show you what I did with the bottoms of the sleeves. But this is a pattern from Sweet Everly Bee. I really liked it. The simplicity of it is great. A beginning crocheter could probably do this without any problem. I'm not talking about the bell sleeve part though, because I did the sleeves straight down, and I'm going to do a single crochet edging on the bottom, maybe 3 or 4 rows to kind of tighten it up. So that's what I have in my work in progress. But this is a beautiful yarn, and I'm not trying to sell it or anything. I'm not sponsored, but I'm just showing you the striping effect on it, all the different green shades, and then a pink shade in there, which is really quite lovely, and it's very subtle, and it's right next to the brown, so it almost blends into the pink, and then back to the green. I just think that's gorgeous, and when I model it for you, you can make up your own mind, but I think you'll like that. Um, I'll put links to all that down in the description area of my video so you can see them. If you like this video, put a thumbs up and subscribe so you can know when I release my new videos every week or so. And one thing I want to do with my videos at the very end is do a word of the day, and it'll be all different ones, but it has to do with crocheting, and the word is create. Crocheting from someone's pattern or making it up yourself. I'm reading this because I wrote it the other day. Or adjusting a pattern to fit your style. Your style. You are creating something unique, no matter what you crochet. So enjoy and find out what's on the hook next time on the Hook.